Hello student, welcome back in your online class and this is your math class. Welcome back in your math class. Hello, am I audible to you and visible to you? Am I audible to you or visible to you? Okay, so and Moinul, I am asking you, I think your problem solved. Moinul, I think your problem solved. And student, before starting our math class, I want to know how you enjoy your Saraswati Pujo, because that day is very special. Student, hope you will enjoy it is accepted already. Connect in that ID, I think. I am telling Moinul. Now, okay, Moinul, it will be connect. Now, I want to, আমি তোমাদের কিছু দেখাতে চাই। তোমরা তো দেখোনি আমাদের স্কুলের সরস্বতী পুজো, কেউ তো দেখোনি। নাও এভরিবডি saw this. This is the idol of our, can you see it? This is the Saraswati idol of our school. Okay? Now, okay, Moinul, your problem will be solved. I talked about it. No problem. And now let's start. Open your math worksheet, page 9, 10, page number not mentioned here, 9, 10, writing here, and in right page, circle the, only circle the 6. Wow, Moinul, very good. Well done. Moinul, please tell me what is there in right page. I am seeing draw lines are there. In left page is blank. Left side page is blank, or any work is there? Oh, blank. Okay. Okay, Swarnendu. So those who completed these two pages, turn over the page. In left side you write 1 to 17. In left side page you should write 1 to 17, and right side page already done, draw lines. Okay, Orchisman. Well done. Aradha, okay. Page write 1 to 17 in order, and also draw lines. Turn the pages. Okay, Swarnendu. Very good. Swarnendu, now do the next two page. In one page write 1 to 17. Okay, Moinul, 7. Very good. Good. Orchisman. Wow, very good. And in left side page, Orchisman write 1 to 17. Okay. That page you draw lines, but in left side page write 1 to 17. Okay, sorry. Then I miss it, beta. Sorry, beta. I check it. Yes, Orchisman, I got it. Swarnendu, very good. Now do the draw lines. Moinul, very good. Oh, so Moinul, draw lines completed, good. And in this page, it is your homework. These two pages. In this page, you will draw one circle, one triangle, one square, and one rectangle. It is blank page, I think. Moinul, draw circles right side, but in left side page is blank, I think. Please write whether it is blank or not. Okay, so draw one in this page. Listen carefully. Everybody listen carefully. Swarnendu, Moinul, Aradha, Orchisman. You draw one circle, one triangle, one rectangle, and one square in this page, and color as your own choice. Okay, and also do the draw circle. Am I clear? Am I clear? Draw. It is your homework. Draw one square, one triangle, one circle, and one rectangle. Your own, and you should color it. As your own choice, you color it in that page. It is your homework. And also do this page, draw circles. Okay. And also I am giving, look, this umbrella to your homework. Join the dots. In this page, see, draw and color the umbrella. It is also your homework, okay? These 3 pages is your homework. Am I clear? Homework is clear for you? In 1 page, you should draw 4 shape and color. Okay, and next page, next 2 page already work done here, work given. So I hope homework clear to all. Orchisman, homework clear? Today I am giving, because Saturday, Sunday, so I am giving little bit homework for you. I hope you complete the work. And okay, Aradha understood the homework, and Swarnendu, any problem regarding homework? So student, today's math class up to this much, and we will meet in our next class. That means Monday in one online class. Till now, tata. And Swarnendu, একবার বলবো যে পেজ পর্যন্ত করেছো তার পরের পেজে ব্ল্যাঙ্ক আছে, দেখবে সেখানে একটা স্কোয়ার, রেক্ট্যাঙ্গেল, ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, সার্কেল ড্র করে কালার করবে। আর তারপরে দুটো পেজ তো অলরেডি ওয়ার্ক দেয়াই আছে, ড্র সার্কেলস অ্যান্ড দিস। ওকে, টিল নাও, টাটা।